Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for a quick plan with me or monthly setup in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. And it's hard to believe that we are in November, and I say this every month when I do my monthly planner setup. It's like, I can't believe it's March, I can't believe it's May, blah, blah, blah. But honestly, the fact that it is November and the fact that I am currently staring at my lineup for my planner lineup for 2025, the planner season is a weird season because a lot of the times we have to make our decisions about our planners in August or September or October. And then once we've made our decision, if our decision is still to stick with our system, all good. But then if we're switching to a new system in 2025, it kind of feels like we're in limbo in October, November, December. But I am the type of person that I want to finish out my system so that all of one year is in one book or one setup. The only year I didn't do that was 2021, when in the middle of the year I switched from the Happy Planner to Archer and Olive and Hemlock and Oak, which was so weird for me. But I'm going to finish this out and then we'll go from there. Okay, that long explanation to basically say I am planning out my monthly spread for November in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. What I use this monthly spread for is basically a social media planner. I have tried to use individual planners for social media. I could never get it to work for me, but having actually it all in one monthly spread like this has been so helpful for me. I'm gonna move that while I'm looking at it. I'm gonna move that. Okay, so what I do beforehand is I actually use these Memo Me stickers, and I got these from Stationery Pal, but I think they're available actually in quite a few places. And I cut them in half so that I could kind of pre-plan where certain things were going to go. And I'm going to start moving them off here, although will I remember? I don't know. And what I'm going to be decorating with is my Fall Fireplace Collection from my October release. I love these because I wouldn't think that like the light blue and the orange would go really well together, and even the gray, but it does actually go really well together. I will not be using all of these stickers because this is way too many for this spread, but I just wanted to show you the overall collection. I'm wondering if I can just stick to a few of these and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna put down, I feel like that sticker would be too big, but I don't normally do anything on the Monday, so I'm okay with covering that up. I'm going to put down a big circle sticker right here, and then place the big fireplace right here. Oh, I love that already. Ooh. And then I'm going to take the quote from the Quote and Washi and just place it down here. There we go. Then let's move this up a little bit. I'm going to use, I actually like all of these smaller elements and I want to be able to, okay. Do I want to use them up here or down here? Let's use them down here. Let's have fun with that. Let's use that sheet. Then place that all down here. So cute. Okay. Then, so you notice I'm not using this sheet because I don't think I really need it. Then, which one do I use? Let's place this like so. Then all of the little elements just on these squares here. This collection was actually really fun to paint, and I'm trying to get myself out of my comfort zone when it comes to painting. I want to learn more and about different like drawing techniques and painting techniques, and I feel like painting with fountain pen inks, there isn't a lot out there in terms of like tutorials and stuff, so I really have to work with like watercolor paintings. Okay, anyway, blah, blah, blah. So what I also do down the side here is I write down the stickers or the collections that I want to use. So I know that I'll be using my own sticker collection here because my new release is due to come out, I believe, on the 15th. Then I want to use, probably according to Allie, I'll probably use her 2 weeks in a row. Then I will have JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I have her luxury advent calendar. And then probably down here use, or yeah, here use the Giving Girl because I have stickers coming. And then after that, it will be all Christmas. December will be all Christmas. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and write in IG and YT on all of the days here. And that helps me lay out or figure out where I'm going to post videos and do content and things like that. I don't actually spend a ton of time trying to think of new content. There's a lot of stuff that is pretty much consistent every month or every few months. So it's nice to see it all in one monthly spread like this. The next thing I'm going to put down is, I'm just thinking here in terms of my, okay, I'm going to start putting down things I know I want to get filmed. So this will be my progress report. And my new release will be coming that week. And then every Tuesday, without fail, has been my A5 plan with me. But that could be changing come 2025. Oops, plan with me. And A5 plan with me. And then probably do my week in the life or my daily journal vlog here. And then I normally do my monthly setup here, but I'm gonna put, I'm trying to figure out where to do the 30 inks 30 days this month, just because I need to take some load off of the amount of things that I am doing. I will be very transparent. It hasn't been a great past week for me. I've had to take, you know, a mental health day and a little bit of a step back. So I think one of the things that I'm going to have to take a step back on is how I do 30 inks 30 days. But there's other things I definitely want to do. I won't put everything in here just as of yet, but even if I do put certain things in here, I'll show you. For example, in October, I've written some things down, but I mean, I don't hesitate to scratch things out or cross things out if they don't fall in line. Like I have to change that. I have to change what's on the 31st. Like if you go, yeah, September was a crazy month changing things over. So this doesn't have to be completely neat and tidy for me. For me, it's just, it's really functional. I love the way that it looks when it's all pretty, but it is very functional. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. And this is a very quick plan with me because really all it is just putting in what I can for my social media. I won't add too much more than that, but I'm just thinking here. I don't know what else to add. And really there probably isn't anything. I'm overthinking it. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. All right, so that is it for me. Very quick plan with me and a little quick, I guess, glimpse into how I think about social media. But that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I'm sure I'm going to get questions about this, but this is my Esterbrook SD in Petrified Forest, and this has Diamine Ancient Copper. And this is my Pilot Kakuno that was, that had Urushi and Rodden work done by Garage Fountain Pen on Instagram. All right, that is all. Thank you all so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day.